there are some key differences between the two. For example, Section 179, you actually have to elect Section 179 on the assets that you're trying to get it on. Whereas bonus depreciation, you automatically get it unless you opt out of it. You have to opt out of bonus depreciation. Another difference is with Section 179, there are some limitations. You got to have income to take it, right? You can't use it to create a loss. Plus, there's a limit on how much you can deduct, because I think Section 179 was targeted at small business owners, so they put these limitations on there. Whereas bonus depreciation don't have those same type of limitations on it. Okay, between the two. Another difference that you might want to know about is that, Section 179 can be applied strategically to certain types of assets, whereas bonus depreciation, you have to apply it to that total class of assets. So let's say if it's 5-year property, all 5-year property of assets, even if you didn't want to use it on a certain type of asset. If it's 5-year property that it's elected on, is all, right? That's that bonus depreciation. So it's kind of different in terms of flexibility as well. And with my real estate investors love bonus depreciation because it really depends from a Section 179 expensing perspective on how that applies within the real estate space. You really got to kind of dive within the tax code. I know, like for a qualified improvement property, you may be able to utilize Section 179 and bonus depreciation. You may be able to utilize both, but you really got to look at the law. But things like land improvements, right? Bonus depreciation applies to that, but Section 179 doesn't. So when it comes to real estate, most real estate investors are going to lean more on bonus depreciation, and I understand why. All right, so just understand those differences, just some of the key differences if you're going to try to utilize these things to save a ton of taxes. All right, that's whether if you're in real estate or in business, or you use your business to buy real estate. All right, have a